What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Beatnerd and the table of contents whenever you sign up and get to the actual product of Beatnerd. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's inside when you get your hands on this dope product that I created strictly for my producers, strictly for my people who are trying to make beats and who are trying to get better with FL Studio. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm about to go ahead and see if we can go into our table of contents. So in this video, I just want to explain to you guys how the course works and basically what you get inside Beatnerd. So once you purchase the actual Beatnerd product, you will be taken to a page of downloads, and your page of downloads should look like this. And you have a choice to download the course fully, or you can start your video course as well. Now, I'm gonna exit out of this real quick because I just wanted to show y'all what that would look like. And this is your table of contents right here. So Beatnerd is split up into 10 different videos that explain the process of beat making, and we have different categories. So in part 1, obviously, we have getting started, and then part 2 we have how to make an actual beat. We got mixing 1, kicks and 808s. We have part 4 with mixing 2, part 5 mapping out beats, secret functions, so on and so forth. Now, in order to get started into actually jumping into the Beatnerd course, all you had to do is click on whichever one you would like to start with first. So let's go to number 1, right? Now we have our intro. Now with our intro, as you can see, this is the video that you get as soon as you start. And by the time this video comes up, we will have this video outside. We will have this video on our YouTube channel for free, and we will have this on our Instagram as well for free, so you guys can jump right in and understand what we are offering to the producer community. So you can sit here and watch the video.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from
sorry, it's a little loud, but you can sit there and watch the video for as long as you like, and say like if you was finished with number 1, you can go to number 2, then you can go to number 3, and then you can keep going. You can keep going. You go to number 4, number 5, so on and so forth. So the table of contents serve as a basis for you to continue to study this Beatnerd product, and it's there to serve as your guide and your table of contents as if it was a book for you to go back into each step and to learn the process as long as you like. Your table of contents just serves as a guideline for you to continue to look at whichever part you need to go back on. And the beauty with Beatnerd is when you have the actual product, you have it forever. So you can study each part anytime you would like. And we have, and the table of contents is just good for organization. So say like if you need to brush up on something, say like if you're not understanding number 6 as much as you would like, you can go back to number 6 and study it more and more and more so you can understand it. And then you will have it forever, so you can continue to keep learning new things and you know, so on and so forth. So with that being said, man, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in to the table of contents of Beatnerd. This is what you would get if whenever you get a chance to actually cop the Beatnerd product. If you would like to get this product, the sign up is below in the description below. You can sign up instantly and get access. All you need to do is sign up with your email. We have a drum kit for you as well, just for starting out and signing up with us. And you can also get the Beatnerd kit for 50% off. We have an early bird special, which is 50% off. This early bird special is not lasting too long though, so I would say get to it quickly before it goes back to regular pricing, which is $100. You can get this product for $50, and we have over 150 minutes of information, all that you see right here in your table of contents. And with that being said, man, I just want to say thank you guys again for tuning in. Rashad Beats out. Stay tuned for more content concerning Beatnerd. Peace.